Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. This Boxycharm, let's see, the theme is road tripping. It comes with this little pamphlet that has all the products on it. The first product in the box is from Chella Beauty. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's an eyebrow cream. It retails for $26. I actually think it's kind of cool. The cap pops off and it's got the brush on one end. And then you like unscrew the bottom, and then the brow gel is inside of this little thing. So I usually stick with eyebrow pencils just because creams are a little too dramatic for me. It makes my eyebrows look a little too thick and bold, but that's alright. I'll try it out for today's video and see how it goes. Okay, so it went on really quickly. Obviously you can see there's like a major difference. This is like so dark. I feel like it's not too bad with my hair color, but it's definitely a lot bolder than I would usually go. So I'm just going to go in and finish the other eyebrow, and then I'll come back and check out the rest of the products in the box. I feel like if you guys really enjoy cream eyebrow products, then you would really like this. I feel like they picked products that were good for like when you're traveling. Just because they went with the road tripping theme, I'm starting to think that's why they picked some of these products, because I would probably like this for traveling just because it was so easy to apply, and it has both the brush and the cream inside of it. It's just really simple to just toss in your purse. The next product is a blush. It's from Note Cosmetics. This retails for $11.99, which is nice. It's a really good price. I got the shade Desert Rose, and this is what it looks like. It's a really peachy, corally color, which I really honestly like those type of blushes for the summer. So I'm just going to dip in with my stippling brush. Wow, there is a lot of kick up on that. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but yeah, a lot kicked up. I feel like this is probably a really pigmented blush. Oh yeah, definitely glad I went in with my stippling brush. I feel like this color is super intense and it's really pigmented, so just be careful. If you guys have that, use a light hand. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a really pretty blush. I just don't typically like to go in with too much blush, so that was quite a bit. The next product in the box is from Crown Brush, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It retails for $29.99. This is what the shades look like. They're really pretty. I mean, nothing that we really haven't seen before. A bunch of warm tones and like some cooler purple shades right there. So I'm just gonna do an eye look with this real quick. I think I'll just speed through this part and play some music so you guys can see like what shadows I apply and stuff like that. But yeah. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow look, my thoughts about the eyeshadow palette, I mean, it's really nice. I kind of wish that we would have gotten something a little bit more unique and colorful for this box, especially since it's summer. The only eyeshadow I really had an issue with was this one right here. I'm sure it's probably meant to be used as like an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight, which is fine, but I typically love using those type of shades as well on the inner parts of my eyelid, which I did do today, and it just wasn't that pigmented. I had to go back in with my finger several times. I feel like that shade needs to be wet if you want to use it on your lid. So that was really the only thing about that. I mean, I do enjoy the colors though. It's not like I won't use them, so still glad that I got it. So the next product in the box is the Wander Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara. It says it's called Unleashed. I actually thought for some reason that this was a liquid lipstick. Like when I first looked in the box, I don't know why, I guess because of the tube or something. But yeah, anyways, it's got like a little curled wand right there. So I'm just going to apply this and see what it looks like. I feel like this mascara did a really good job of curling my lashes actually. I feel like it would pair up really well with some of my other ones. Really happy with it because a lot of the times I don't like to curl my lashes before putting on mascara. I probably should, but it's just like an extra step that I typically don't want to do. So I really like this mascara. This is definitely a hit for me. The last product in the box is by Farmacy Beauty. Is this Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. It looks like this. This is pretty cool actually. It says that it's color changing, I believe. It says the mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities. to visibly improve the appearance of skin texture and tone, which, let's face it, a lot of us have that issue. I'm really excited to try this. It says it turns from purple to green, so I think that's really cool. I haven't had a color changing mask since I was a kid, so I'm really excited to try this. Obviously, I probably should have tested it out before putting on my makeup, but I don't usually like to do that. I like doing face masks at night. I have a whole collection of face masks, so this is probably one of the things I was most excited about, and it does retail for $38. I've never heard of the Farmacy beauty brand, but I'm really excited to try it. So yeah, guys, that was all the products for this month's box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.